In this video, we will discuss about this green synthesis of magnetic nanoparticles. So this is also a part of these gold nanoparticles that can be used for applications such as drug delivery, anti-cancers, applications for agriculture applications. So what it is, the phytochemicals that we have discussed previously also contains compounds such as protein and organic acids such as fatty acids and the secondary metabolites. So all this can be used as a reducing agent, and also reducing agent, stabilizing agent, and the capping agent for the nitrate and chloride, which reactions will occur when the metals mixed with these phytochemicals. So a brief overview of the process is shown on the left hand side, where the plant and the biochemical compounds are extracted, such as leaf, stem, flower, or fruit, root, seed, and these plant extract solutions will then be mixed with these metal salt solutions, and thereafter they will form a reactions or capping, stabilization and capping will occur, or we can say the biological reductions will occur. That indications of these biological reductions can be seen from the change in the color, and that confirms the nanoparticle synthesis. However, so this is basically a green synthesis of the magnetic nanoparticles formations occurs. In detail, or slightly more detailed overview or the large scale industrial plan is shown on the right hand side. Here what they do is they take the plant source, from that they extract the plant and then mix it with the salt, and this plant extract and salt are then agitated on a magnetic stirrer at 80 degree, and that will leads to the bioreductions of the gold from this Au3 state to AuO state or oxidized state, and that will leads to the formations of this growth and stabilizations of these gold nanoparticles. And thereafter these gold nanoparticles can then be characterized by different techniques such as SEM, TEM, XRD, FTIR, and at the same time it can be used for the and once they are characterized, then it can be used for the applications such as agriculture, drug delivery, antibacterial, anti-cancers, and also for the nanosensors. So far we have discussed in the previous video also about this targeted drug delivery, where and the reasons why the gold is used for this nanoparticles, because it is easier to customize the surface of the gold against, so that it can be used to attach to the antibodies that can target the cancers efficiently. This is what is been used in the normal CAR-T process, where CAR is expressed on the lipid CAR is expressed either on this immune cells directly, or CAR are packaged into the lipid nanoparticles. Thereafter those lipid nanoparticles or CAR can then be exposed to the cancer cells to perform its function. So similar to that process, only thing is that the efficiencies of or the gold nanoparticle customizations is efficient or much more specific compared to the biologically available options. So, and this green synthesis of magnetic nanoparticles that is shown here requires less amount of external energies, as we can see that even in the industrial scale, the only this 80 degree temperature is required, and after that they can use it for this growth and stabilizations. They can get the growth and stabilized they can get the stabilized gold nanoparticles, which are kept from this secondary metabolites that are already present in the plant extract. So raw materials is also not that expensive. In terms of the plant biochemical, raw material is not that expensive. However, the gold price might be one of the concern. So that's all for this video. If you need to understand more about this topic in detail, you can go through the reference that has been provided in the description. Thank you for your time.